Hello and namaste. Welcome to the Cis Pelvic Health channel. Today we're going to talk about a simple but powerful tool called the knack and why it makes such a big difference for your pelvic health. So, what is a knack? The knack is a quick, well timed squeeze of your pelvic floor muscles just before and during a cough, sneeze, laugh, or lift. Normally, this is an automatic response, but after surgery, pregnancy, back pain, or aging, this timing can be lost. Thereby, the pressure from above beats the pelvic floor and leakage occurs. Think of your pelvic floor like a valve on a garden hose. When you close the valve just before you turn on the water, nothing leaks. But if you wait until afterwards, accidents can happen. Or think of squeezing a straw before you blow down it. That's the knack in action. Even if your pelvic floor muscles are strong, if they do not respond in time or at the right moment, leakage can happen. So here's how you start retraining. Sit or stand tall. Imagine squeezing and lifting your pelvic floor muscles as if you're trying to stop the flow of urine or just sealing the valve. Now add the squeeze to your sneeze, cough, laugh, or when you lift something. Think, anticipate, squeeze, then move. With practice, this will become automatic just as it was before. Relearning the knack is about more than strength, it's about timing and coordination. This simple habit can help reduce your bladder leaks and can restore the confidence in everyday life. Thank you for watching. This is the CIS Minute, where there's simplicity in action and strength in movement. Until next time.